unnecessarily lost all of my sleep. What the f is wrong with you, man? Wow, I'm doing a terrible job vlogging today, huh? This is me, just as usual, doing my morning gymnastics. Let's take a selfie, why not?
Wow, क्या लड़का है?
Look what we have here. We don't have our usual ride. I'll just let it cold start a bit. Well, feels so soothing to have a silent rumble for a change. Quick, a nice photo. And it looks so beautiful. Look at that. Guess it's time to go. Let's go. Entry of Moria. All right, all set. Oh, अभी जो dust का बादल, अरे रे. All my mehnat of cleaning this bike. Man, I woke up early to clean this bike, dude. Never mind.
Take the next left.
What the f is wrong with you, man? Maybe I should have it here, man. This Google, man, nowadays it's been very sketchy, man. It gives you the directions and suddenly says, "Arey, now you have to take a U-turn." Just messing with you unnecessarily. There's a lot of loose concrete on the surface, so I better watch out. You better not die. You better not fall. I'm telling you why. Okay, I'm supposed to take a left ahead. Man, I'm absolutely loving the way this is sounding, dude. So soothing. The weather is also beautiful. And I purposely, if you've noticed, I've put on a leather jacket this time. Of course, the armored leather jacket. This is, by the way, if you haven't noticed, the Rhinox's Trident jacket. I just wanted to make it suit to the aesthetic of the motorcycle, so I thought, me as well. Although I'll have to check how, moving forward, once the heat starts pouring in, I don't know how am I going to. Hopefully, we should reach by 11. And we will be on the bikes, so as long as I'm on the go, I'm fine. If I stop and do something, then I'm screwed. Suspension isn't bad, huh? I mean, it is not as bad as I expected it to be. It's much better than the Super Meteor. I know my thoughts are completely haywire right now. I'll just give you a context of the ride first. Sorry about that, guys. I'm not in the right mind right now because I've not had my morning coffee yet. Hi, by the way, I'm riding to Calote. There's this place called Campo Max in Calote, so I'm gonna be going there. Today is 18th of January. Why would you say do tudung now? What the f is wrong with you, man? Bhai, kya hai yaar tere ko? Let me just check it once, just to be sure. Why the f would you then unnecessarily misguide me? And look at this. It asked me to make a U-turn and come there. Why? Why would you do that? It's pretty simple, right? It's just this road. And why would you ask me to take a U-turn from here? Well, I came from here, by the way. Very annoying, man. Okay, I've still not said the context of the ride. Sorry about that. Wow, look at that sun. God damn. That brightened my mood. Wow, holy mother of God. Look at that. Had I been a little late, it would have been much better. But lovely, huh, that one. See, now it's visible quite. Now it's quite big. Sometimes it looks very small. I still don't have an answer. Anyway, so again, finally, to set context of the ride, I am. This is a ride organized by Royal Enfield to the Campo Max campsite in Calote. Calote is a place that comes on the way to Lonavala. So it's a nice scenic place. There's a water body nearby. I don't know if it's a lake or a river, but we'll be camping there. Of course, these are properly set campsites. So all of us meaning a few riders that have participated in the ride and a few people like me that get to do this for free are heading towards that place together. Now, as usual, I've gotten slightly late, so I will be now heading to MACD, which is, I guess, in Panvel, right before the express highway, and I'll meet the other people there, and then we'll have a ride briefing session of sorts and then head out. I don't know if I will make it in time. It's 7:30 already, But anywho, we are fashionably, hey Thar Rocks, we are fashionably late all the time. What a nice beautiful car, dude. Only if the interiors came in black. It won't look as spacious as it does right now, but who cares? This thing, hey, we finally got the sun. There you go. Not as big as it was before, but sure. I guess it's just a matter of perspective. The parallax that it creates, whatever is in front of it, the smaller it gets, the bigger the sun looks. I guess it's just that. I figured it by myself. Yes, science. By the way, I'm pretty sure that you've watched the Motoverse episode 1 where I was asking about the sun. That video, by the way, is not up yet. Today is 18th of January and it is going to go live tomorrow. So another very fun fact is that just like my Motoverse ride where I did not sleep at all, very similarly, I have not slept. I mean, I slept a little, maybe for an hour or so, but just an hour. I spent the night editing the video, preparing it, because yesterday was a Friday. So getting a video ready on a Friday instead of a Sunday morning is quite a pride-worthy feat, huh? So थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर कुछ गलती वलती हो गया रहेगा तो बच्चा समझ के माफ़ कर देना, ठीक है? I'm loving this bike, by the way. I got it picked up yesterday. So far, so I'm liking it. The riding ergonomics are not the best. I would have preferred slightly more set foot pegs, but ठीक है, this is a different kind. This bike, this is a shotgun, by the way, shotgun 650. Wow, I'm doing a terrible job vlogging today, huh? I'm not setting any context. I'm not giving out any information. I'm just blabbering bullshit left, right, and center. Sorry about that. Let me start again. Today, hi guys. Today, आज हम आए हैं, आज हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आज हम आए हैं मुंबई, मतलब हम रहते ही थे मुंबई में, बट हम जा रहे हैं मुंबई नहीं, बट पुणे भी नहीं वैसे, और लोनावला भी नहीं एक्चुअली. कालोटे बोल के एक दिस
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
This map lady keeps interrupting me, man. I'm just not able to vlog today, man. Hey, look at that sun. Beautiful. I still haven't set the context. Fuck! So I am riding the Shotgun 650. Hey, wow. What are these called? Cherry blossoms? हाँ ना?
जिस राह पे तुम चल रहे हो बेटा, एक दिन पूरी तरह बसोगे.
Damn. I should, get tested for ADHD, man. So now with full focus, I'm gonna talk about this ride, okay? I am riding the Shotgun 650 today, and this is a 650cc parallel twin engine, and it is similar to my bike, although it's not as beautiful as my bike, Focus. So yeah, this is a 650cc and a motorcycle, and this motorcycle doesn't really fall into a specific genre as such of motorcyclist. You can call it a roadster, a mix between a roadster and a cruiser. Yeah, it's a very, very, very beautiful looking motorcycle, especially a lot better in person as well, more than the pictures. Looks very muscular and popular, spectacular, and it's a bachelor like me. Should give up, man. I should just not even try. It's not at all worth it. And I don't even know why are you guys even continuing to watch this video. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to shame you guys, but get some standards, man. Watch something better, worthwhile. What are you watching this ADHD ridden content? It's pointless, man. Hey, bhai, please continue watching. इतना बेइज्जती करने के बाद भी अगर तुम देख रहे हो तो please continue watching. But yeah, I guess that's enough context for today's ride.
A few moments later.
Okay, we've covered up the distance, huh? Quite nice. And we're already here. Well done, my guy. Well done. I hope this is the meeting point, because I can't see any Royal Enfield around. Man, I'm very scared at this point. What an incredible waste of time. meet my subscriber. What's your name again? What's your name again? आरव यस. अभी कुछ नहीं, ऐसे ही थोड़ा सा फेरी मार के आ जाऊंगा लोनावाला तक. नहीं तो देखता हूँ अगर ऑन द वे इफ आई गेट अ कॉन्टैक्ट विद देम तो फिर उनके साथ चले जाऊंगा, नहीं तो फिर ये कर लूँगा. चलो यू मस्ट बी इन हरी. चलो बाय बाय. Magnets are very strong on this one, huh? This by the way is a Trip Machine tank bag. Magnetic, of course. I'll tell you what happened. I'll first set my camera up. Look at this by the way.
Technologia!
Magnets are a boon to society. So the scene is that as per the ride plan that was shared with me, I was supposed to reach at 8 o'clock and I reached on time. Now, once I reached, I noticed that there's absolutely no one here. Then I waited for some time. चल 8:30 तक आ जाएगा, नहीं आया कोई भी. Then I call up the guy that I'm speaking to. He did not respond. Then I call up the other guy that I am speaking to. So he tells me that, what are you doing there at 8 o'clock? What? We are supposed to come there at 11 o'clock. And I'm sitting here and wondering, what? Then I tell him that I got this PDF in which it was shared that I was supposed to be there at 8 o'clock. So then he tells me ki, no. Now I have two options. To wait for a while. What he told me is that maybe you people will be there by 9 and then you should be leaving at 10. Only then you will be reaching at Kalote by 11, which is the check-in time. Like, ठीक है चल, hardly 30 more minutes. Then I wait for 30 more minutes. 9 a.m. comes. Then I get my breakfast. By the time I finish my breakfast, it's 9:30. No one shows up. Then I call the same guy again and he tells me कि I ask him कि when are you coming? So he's like, no, I am not coming. मैं बोला अभी तो बोला कि तू 10 बजे तक आएगा करके, 9 बजे तक आएगा. So he's like, no, I am in Pune. The people that are going to come there will come by this time. तो मैं बोला कि give me the contact of whoever is coming here. I'll speak with them and ask them only. Then he sends me a contact and I call him up and turns out they haven't left Worli yet. And I call him at 10 o'clock, which easily means that it should take them about 1.5 or almost 2 hours to reach here. So that means by 12. And by the time they do all of the briefing and everything, it will be 1.
आप chronology समझ लीजिए.
What do I do till then? So I had two options: to say all of this and just go home, or may as well use the opportunity, since I've already come out for a ride, may as well do the ride and then go home.
Take the next left.
Are you an idiot, Google? Why the would you ask me to take a goddamn left if I'm supposed to take an God, is Google also now getting on my nerves now. Is this Google dyslexic or something? Or am I dyslexic? Because I've been taking right turns and it's asking me to take left, and even then it's showing the correct direction. I mean, my mind is right now completely, dude. I unnecessarily lost all of my sleep over the preparation of this ride, only to come here and do absolutely nothing and waste 2 of my hours.
A few inches later.
If I can click a photo like this, I'll have to place it like this. Oh man. Hey, a fellow phone motovlogger. See, respect to this guy. I'll tell you why. He's riding a unicorn. He's got he's as geared up as he can. He's got his riding jacket. He's got the knee pads, the helmet of course, and he's protecting himself with whatever means he has available for himself. That is 10 folds better than any rider out there. Super cool, very nice. Just a pair of boots and a pair of gloves is what is remaining to finish it off completely. हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे. See, as opposed to a tiger owner who has the money to buy a tiger but doesn't have a riding pant or riding boots for that matter. I'm not trying to shame or glorify anyone. I'm just giving my personal opinions as to how priorities are stacked for different people. I'm not far away, hopefully just about 10-12 kilometers remaining. The rest of the group hasn't even reached the Panvel meetup point, so I was like, never mind, I'll just go ahead check in. Now it's just hot air blowing onto my body. There's absolutely no coolness. I'm just warm all over. But the mesh design of this jacket of course helps. There's a lot of air penetrating. Of course it's hot air, which I wouldn't really like. I would have preferred nice cool breeze, but क्या करे, climate ही ऐसा है. 600 meters में left लेना है. By the way, if you haven't noticed, this is a single seat, by the way, which is why I'm carrying a backpack which has all of my stuff. And this is a sacrifice that I've made by myself. This one, kya? Okay, sorry, my bad. Okay, maybe I'm supposed to go in here. Okay, 500 meters continue straight. See, despite of having so many directions in this thing, I managed to mess up. See, all of this tech can only help you till a point. After that, it is your brain that has to give something. And with idiots like me, we tend to struggle with such things at times.
ये मजबूर हैं, पर आप नहीं.
Right, मतलब अभी और उधर रोड ही कौन सा है भाई? Okay, there is a road here. Oh, I got scared, dude. A random woman just sitting somewhere. Okay, I guess we have reached Riders Rendezvous. How is this pronounced, dude? Riders Rendezvous. Well, I'll just walk somewhere. I don't know. अच्छा उधर जाना है, इधर नहीं है. कहाँ पे? यहाँ से बाहर निकल, ऊपर से आ रहे ना. हाँ, क्या चल रहा है भाई? What is the happening? रुक जा भाई. Riders Rendezvous. अरे बाप रे. इधर है क्या? कैसे एकदम मूवी सीन की तरह बैठे हैं ना ये लोग. वापस आ गया ये Riders Rendezvous. I don't know how to pronounce it, dude. Riders Rendezvous. Riders Rendezvous. Is the Z silent? Life is enjoy. Gaurav bhai, your tagline?
Life is enjoy.
Beware of white walkers. ए भाई ये कहाँ लेके आ गए भाई मेरे को? Again, Riders Rendezvous. I'm gonna learn a new word today. Rendezvous. वो ये white walker का क्या सीन है भाई? दोपहर में कौन से व्हाइट वॉकर जा रहे इधर, और इतनी गर्मी में वो भी. यहाँ पे व्हाइट वॉकर आके करप जाएंगे. हाउ डू आई टेल यू what means by karpunzatil? It is a natural phenomena where you turn black after you are burned. Hello guys.
Hello there.
You look friendly. गाय को गाय बोल दिया.
हेलो, ACP प्रद्युमन here.
Or at least they have signboards everywhere, but I don't feel like I'm lost. Okay, finally I made it. आते ही कौन सा ट्रेल में घुमा रहे भाई अपने को. ओके, आते ही टास्क करने लगा दिया भाई. वाह, कैंप्स तो बड़े अच्छे हैं. Okay, I'll park my shotgun over here. Okay, finally humped my way back. The best part about this is that this can double up as a sling bag as well. So just take it off and hook it up. रोहन सर, ओळख लगा. लॉन्ग टाइम.
मी तुम्हाला ट्रॅक करत असतो. किती गाडी चालत.
सही है. क्या म्हणता? Good, very nice.
Shortly after, I checked into my tent that surprisingly had air conditioning and a huge bed all for myself with a bathroom too. After a quick break, I had my lunch with people enjoying food, hanging out, playing some indoor games, and checking out Royal Enfield's new products on display. I then went out exploring the place, the lake, the animals, and spent an awful lot of time looking at this camel and observing its weird anatomy. What a strange creature. I somehow never really looked at it so closely. After creeping the camel out, I came back to the humans' place to find people arm wrestling, followed by some beer drinking contest. Not a fan. Then came some live music with people having the time of their life, and me as usual sitting in a corner observing humans and eating my food. Quickly after, I went out for some night's peace before going back to bed, and a good night.
Right, it is the next morning. Sure, let's see you on the road. निघालात? सही है, भेटू आपण कधीतरी परत. Nice to meet you. चलो, that was a kind gentleman from Pune. Riders, it's not Riders Rendez was, by the way. The first thing that I asked people that after I got down was, what does this mean? This apparently is pronounced as rendezvous, which is either a French or a Latin word. I did not clearly look it up, but it's rendezvous, and it means a meeting point, which it was a rider's nice little meet point. Rider's rendezvous. Chalo, kuch nahi to at least we've learned a word. I mean, we've accomplished a lot. But oh my god, my visor is disgusting. I absolutely hate when there's dirt on my visor. And even if there's a fingerprint, I fucking hate. What happens is, usually at work also, people look at my helmet and my whole setup that is kept on the desk, and that is like an ornament to me, dude. The helmet. So people come, अरे ये कौन सा helmet है रे ये? And they slap their hands on the visor. I get so pissed, but I can't say anything because I don't want to be that petty guy. But I'm so fucking pissed. And getting those oily fingerprints out is a huge task on, Hello. Hey, do we have a subscriber? अरे काल भेटलेलो आपण. काय म्हटलंस तुझं नाव? रोहित. नाईस टू मीट यू भाई. फायनली परत भेटलास म्हटलं. चाललायस ना? चल. So this was another rider that I met, Rohit. I am really sorry, guys. Whoever I meet, if you watch my videos, if you know me well, you know that I can't remember names and I can't remember anything. So for me to remember your name, you must know me for a long while. And I'm not trying to be arrogant over here. It's just my disability, guys. For me to remember your name, you'll either have to know me for a long while, or you will have to do something that I hate. This shotgun, I posted a photo yesterday, and it's been, I mean, of course, people are liking the photos and everything, but there's a lot of not so positive things to say about this bike, man. It's good, man. It's not that bad of a bike, dude. Even in off-roads, it's much better than the Super Meteor in terms of your suspension and everything. And I've not gotten paid to say this, okay? I'm just saying it because this bike actually is nice. It's nice. It looks good. Of course, the position. One second, I'm getting a call. So it's a nice bike, man. I mean, of course, it doesn't really fall into a genre. That's its fault. It doesn't really serve a specific purpose, which is maybe what is stopping it from getting liked by people. Firstly, the road presence is incredible on this bike. You only notice it after you've seen it in person. And I am a sucker for these single-seated motorcycles, man, which is why I picked this up in the first place. I wanted to see how it looks. The group that I was supposed to ride with yesterday, they were late, so I left. So today morning I woke up late, so now they have decided to leave me. which is fair, which is only fair. ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया क्या? It's okay. बाकी सब चले गए? कैचअप कर लेंगे अपन.
मला तुम्हाला भेटायचं होतं, तुमच्याशी बोलायचं होतं, राईड पण करायची, सगळं एका दिवसात.
Jackpot. We have Tanmoy Ganguly, Thrilling Motor Vlogs, Rishikesh, and Pratik over here that have been kind enough to wait for me. And while the rest of the group just abandoned us. And we'll eventually catch up. Everyone's vlogging nowadays. I shouldn't be the one to say.
Hypocrisy.
Yesterday's ride was quite chaotic. There was a lot of back and forth happening. It's just a communication issue that happened. I then finally caught up to these people, met them, had a good time. I met a lot of subscribers as well. Not quite surprisingly, because it's a Royal Enfield event and I own a Royal Enfield. So a lot of guys that own Royal Enfield consider them as my friends. So I got to meet a lot of friends. Met a lot of old friends as well from my older rides at Arunachal, Ladakh. It was quite a nice time we had. Rendez was. Man, I miss my earplugs. There's a load of wind blast. Hey, countryman! ये निसान की कंट्रीमैन मैं आज पहली बार देख रहा हूँ। क्या बात है भाई। Hey, I should have participated in this unannounced drag race. Drag race? What is drag race? This was just me trying to catch up, huh? वहाँ जाना है तुम्हें? मुझे यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है, यहाँ से उधर जाने को बोल रहा है। वो किधर जा रहा है? वो रेस करते करते आगे चला गया and he must be rejoicing that hey I won that's why guys, that's why children, you always have cardo. Well, the video must have gone live. The Motoverse episode, it's 1-3. I had scheduled it for 1, so the comments shall start pouring in. Chalo, I'll see you. I forgot to say goodbye, but sorry, bye bye.
Bonus.
Hi there, darling. You know I love you, right? It's just a fling. Nothing serious. Please.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.